Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issues when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse any apps on Google Play Store or use a Google Chrome or any other browser for OPPO Find X2 Neo. And first let's try downloading this Call of Duty or basically any app from Google Play Store. Click on install and it's in a pending mode and won't change. There's a Google Chrome right here, and if we try to open any website it doesn't work. And if you face the same issues, you'll need to open the settings, navigate all the way down to find system settings, date and time, and enable set time automatically. Now if you go back to your Google Chrome and reload the page, it should work fine. And the same as with Google Play Store, we can it already began to download because I didn't cancel it, but it works fine now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.